How many times do you have to remind me of her before you'll finally say my name? I've been waiting years. Sure, it's nothing new, and of course, you remind me of my privileges outside of your love. I can wear as I please. I can use my name outside of the house. And I'm allowed to do what I want with my body. At 18, I have full surgical autonomy when it comes to this stuff. You made that rule, not the doctors. You accept it. Correction, you allow it. Because you are good. A good, loving mom. But you'll never truly love me, right? I know I'm right. I killed her, and that's something you can't forgive. I had run her by the age of 12. The same year Dad put a gun to his head. It was a lot at the time, so I took the treatment tongue-in-cheek. You let me wear what I want, and you let me go by my new name. That's about it. You didn't want to hear about it unless it was about her. It's too much, you said. We can talk later. We never talked. So as the years passed, I grew older, but my identity didn't. It's still fresh. A precise surgical cut that you continue to rub salt into. Something I find shame in. You find shame in it too. That's why you still punish me for what I did all these years later. Sometimes I'll catch people gawking, confused, like they've seen a ghost. I have to wonder if she still haunts me. She must if you still see her, you still speak to her in my direction. I can't help but wonder. You tell me that you deserve respect no matter what, but I have to earn it. What do I have to do to earn it? I know the answer to that question. It was rhetorical. But we both know I can't bring her back, so you can stop wishing.